How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be installing this slime into my back tire for the Sealant. If it runs great, if I don't have any out of round problems, I'm probably going to do the front also. So this is going to be a test. So here it is, slime, prevent and repair flat tires, tube sealant. Now this Sealant bike has a tube inside, so you have to get the correct one. This one says tube. So let's see here. How much per tire? Let's see. It's not really a bicycle. It's more of a, looks like a dirt bike. Dirt bike, I guess it's dirt bike. This is a 70-100 by 19 tire. And it says to use 8 ounce. Let's see what this is. This is 8 ounce. Great. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is position the valve upper half of the tire. Okay, upper half. This looks pretty easy. So we'll just unscrew this. Well, okay, let's see if there's, okay, there's a, yeah, I probably should remove that. Look at that. Kind of looks like cookies and cream and green stuff. And mint chocolate chip. Okay. Let's put that back on. Tool. This cap has a tool also. And there it goes. Here's the Schrader valve. Put that on the side. Alright. Make sure the air is out. Yep, it's pretty much out there. Attach hose. Here's the hose. Yeah. Oh. It's a short hose. Let's see, is it this way or that way? This way or that way? Okay, that's easy enough. Let's put it on here. Oh, that looks great. There you go. Oh, I can't bend it. It's going to kink. Okay, I'll just shove this in here. Alright, that's good. Okay, and squeeze. Squeeze. And looks like it wants to come out. It's not a perfect fit. But it's going. It's going. Oh man. It's wasting. Okay. Get some air back. And squeeze again. Ooh. Squeeze. Like the bottom of your drink already. You want every last drop. Oh. Yeah. Oh. 8 ounces. I want 8 ounces. Alright. I think that's it. Okay, let's pull this off. Clean this up. Let's get the valve core. Alright. Give it some air. Cap back on. Bin tire to distribute sealant. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That was quick, fast, and easy. Oh my goodness. If it does work, I will let you know. If I get a puncture and I see something green coming out, yeah, and I hope it works. I'm gonna ride it around, see if there's any out of round issues. If there is, then I'm not gonna put it in the front. I'd rather put a tubeless system in here, but it costs more money. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Aloha and take care. And remember, if I can do it, so can you. And I guarantee nothing. Aloha. All right, guys, I ran it around the block a few times, and it doesn't seem like I have an auto round issue, but I don't know. I guess it's fine. So I'm gonna continue to the, sorry, lots of noise. I'm gonna continue with the front tire. I might as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Aloha and take care. Bye.